Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at the Acurra NSX or a Honda as we have in Europe. We have this model from Maisto at the 1/24 scale with this blue with the carbon roof and black interior. Only the doors open on this model, and also it's made from metal. And the dimensions are about 20 centimeters long and 9.5 centimeters wide. So sadly I have again some problems with this model. I have some paint issues, some paint rush there, and also a bit in the front here around this area. I haven't checked. I have more models, but I haven't checked them all. As all Maistos, we don't have any functional direction. So let's start in the front. We have some good details on the headlights and a lot of grills. Sadly, they are not perforated. We have this splitter here in the front, which is the black plastic. We have the Acurra logo there. Also have more grills here. Next, on the side we have the wheels. In my opinion, they just look like I don't know, a toy, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but we don't have any brake calipers or brake discs. They're just the wheels. The wheels themselves look pretty decent, I would say. Not the best wheels I've seen. We have there the Acurra logo in the center, but that's about it. Also, we don't have any glass plastic windows, so the dust can get in there easily. In the back, the same problem: no brake disc, no brake caliper. In the back, we have the brake light, which goes all the way around. Also, we have the Acurra logo. Again, a lot of grills which are not perforated, and we have the diffuser and the exhaust here, which is chromed. Looks quite okay for the exhaust, but yeah, it's a shame they don't do those grills perforated. Also, we have some problems here with the paint as well, some paint rush. Now let's check out the interior. Of course, we have the hideous dog legs from Maisto, but surprisingly the interior looks decent, in my opinion. For Maisto, it looks quite okay. We have some details there on the center console. So pretty decent interior for this type of car. And the best, I've left the best part at the end, is this carbon fiber pattern on the roof. I really like this. I hope more manufacturers use it. Also, we have some on the dash as well, and also on the engine compartment. So quite a nice detail from Maisto, and I think more manufacturers should use it, because if Maisto is using it, I don't think it's that expensive to make. So please leave me a comment if you like the model. I think, except for the carbon fiber pattern, it's almost a toy. It's just my opinion. Also don't forget to subscribe and like this video.